Alright, so now that we have seen how we do it with factoring, I'm going to show you a new method because sometimes we cannot factor trinomials. Certain trinomials will not factor. But there is a method called the quadratic formula that will work every single time. Okay, and it's really not hard, it's just tedious because there is a lot of plugging numbers into the correct place, and it just takes a little while to type it in the calculator. But it's really not too bad. And we actually have a nice little bonus since our calculators, we can type it in exactly as we see it. So the first thing I want you to do is we're going to have to be able to identify the a value, the b value, and the c value of the trinomial. So looking at that same trinomial, x squared minus 10x plus 21, the a value is always what is in front of the x squared. So in front of this x squared is just a 1. So a equals 1. The b value is that middle term, which is going to be a negative 10. And the c value is that constant by itself, which is 21. So we've identified a, b, and c. Next thing I want you to do is rewrite this exact formula, but everywhere that there is a variable, we are going to put parentheses. So there's a negative, and then the b, in place of the b, we're putting the parentheses. We don't need to worry about the x equals right now. That's what we're solving for. Go ahead and put the plus or minus, and then we've got the square root of, there's another b, so we're going to put parentheses squared, minus 4, parentheses for the a, parentheses for the c. Okay, and that's all over 2, and then there's an a, so we're going to put a parenthesis. So now it's just a matter of plugging things in the correct place. So this first parenthesis, what letter was that for? That was for b, so we're going to plug a negative 10 in for the b. In this parenthesis, this was also a b, so we're going to put negative 10 in there. And here was an a, and here was an a, which in our problem right now, the a value is 1, so we're going to put 1 in there, and the c value is a 21. Okay, so from here, we are literally going to just type this in our calculator exactly as we see it. So